It's your boy Epic Jamaican here, back at you again with another video with Kai. Nah, mean, and this one is Inauguration Day, bad lip reading. So basically, it's a bad lip reading, and we gonna see what's up. So without further ado, let's do the do and let's get into the video. Yeah.
Let's do this. This should be so funny. Oh my gosh.
It's not so important.
Oh, surprise! I have some pretzels for you.
It's the weirdest voice.
Right?
I'm always like this.
Oh yeah, sure.
You're certainly not going to be.
When can I see
You're
you
bad
walk
company.
away? Can't wait.
Oh my gosh. He said you suck.
Well, you can be a funny wiener, can't you?
What the?
I'm important. You want to be me, don't you? Quite a figure.
Oh
And
my gosh. Wow.
Problem.
Yeah, leave it to me, okay? I'm gonna squeeze him. Hadouken. Are you wearing a big boy shirt?
Yeah.
Wow, she's on point.
Right, it looks so accurate.
help.
He's always doing that.
What?
Like he's always trying to fart or something.
It's the money. It's the buddy, bro.
Like all these weird ass faces.
Yeah, good one.
That is a zinger. I like your nail polish, but not too much.
Oh my gosh.
Son, I like you, but I hate you inside.
You're a creep.
I think you're old like
Your
dirt.
group.
Your group.
Repeat after me. I make grease pellets in my sweat.
I make grease pellets in my sweat.
I was disappointed they didn't find the continent of Atlantis yet.
I was disappointed they didn't find the continent of Atlantis yet.
The new kid smells like falafel and wants to shave my mustache.
Like
The
falafel
new
box.
kid smells like falafel and
It's
wants to
falafel.
shave
This
my
doesn't even smell that
mustache.
So
bad.
did
They
Aunt
don't.
Belinda.
So did Aunt Belinda.
That shit was on point, bro.
You think?
No, I'm teasing you. You look depressed.
I don't feel good.
Now raise your shrunken hand and repeat after
He
me.
shrunk again.
I gotta get a grip. You saw me squat.
I
What?
gotta get a grip. You saw me squat.
You
Oh
think
my
I won't
gosh.
fling 3 eggs at you?
You think I won't fling 3 eggs at you?
The
Oh my
goldfish of
gosh.
preteens never had a chance.
The goldfish of preteens never had a chance.
I personally have puked at a cage fight.
I personally have puked at a cage fight.
Then I chewed an awful lot of cheese.
Then I chewed an awful lot of cheese.
And I stored it in my
I
gut.
stored it in my gut.
He wanted to finish it so fast.
What?
Together, we will build a bar in rural Connecticut, and we will make it a bar with a nanny, and we will make it a bar called Brown Lady, and we will make it a bar that has stuff in it and extra good leather.
Okay.
When you want to make a bad day a greater day, then come to Brown.
This is so funny.
Nice.
No music, just me. You know what I want later? A hamburger and milk duds and not fish.
Oh my gosh.
Good old fun.
I'm also gonna need you to scrape my bunions.
Yes, good.
The guy's the boss, you know, so
Just
So
remember who
weird.
brought you
It's
here.
so awkward.
my prince. Thank you.
I win.
Oh my
Clean
gosh.
my car after this.
He probably said that for real though at the inauguration. I didn't watch it.
I
I
win.
win. Like,
Pretty dorky.
At least I still know how to drive.
Yeah, I do not. I don't do it.
Well, I got a big truck.
Figure out a way to bury your stuff fast. I'm burying your junk already.
That's my past.
The kids made me a shiv, and I mean, I'm not afraid to use it.
Eyes up
You got a
front,
blade?
straight ahead.
Every day.
It's lit.
that was funny.
That was so funny. It's lit, guys. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave in the comment section below what videos you want to see us react to next. Peace, love, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Next time.
Right, Kai?
Yep.
Yeah. Hey, it's okay. Peace.